This is a video on the installation of the Simpson CBT4Z. It is a concealed beam tie that allows you to connect the post and the beam with no exposed fasteners. This is what is included in the box. You have the connecting rod as well as 6 locking pins. What you do first is you drill your post exactly in the center, and for that we created a jig to make sure that our hole is perfectly straight and in line with the post. Then you use the hardware itself to mark the location of the pinholes. We are only drilling those holes from one side so that the holes are only exposed from one side, but we're also plugging those holes with the wood plug. So because of that, we're starting by making a 3/4 inch hole with a 3/4 inch Forstner bit. Now we're drilling it with a 1/2 inch drill bit. Almost all the way through. We're using the same jig that we built in order to drill the beam to make sure that our hole is perfectly straight. One thing that I'm adding to this installation, which is not part of the instructions, is I'm using those log screws from Simpson. Those are SDWS log screws. This is going to allow me to have a tight joint between the beam and the post. Now that we drilled our beam, we prep it for the pins the same way that we did with the post. And these are the timber screws that are going to allow us to have a very tight joint. And there you have it, a post gap free connection.